you video friend? I'm here for my big auntie. Yeah. Oh my God. It's gonna be lit. You guys should wait for the unexpected. I swear. Election don't affect us. You have to live a normal life. I see you. Hey.
My people, you know why I bring this video come out for my channel. You know, say many of us we break down, many of us they cry, many of us they para, many of us they follow neighbor, they quarrel, they burn things for people things. You know, election not deserve them. Mostly our Nigeria, our country, Nigeria. You see, Destiny ETIKO, she be one person when she still wants make change it of make Nigeria change. Destiny ETIKO, he still be one of the people when he want make Nigeria change. But Destiny ETIKO, she still be one person when she still para. But later when the election don't when the result don't come outside, you see say she fight. She not still fight. She take am. Why? Because many things wetin dey really happen no be our power. Na God. Nobody pass God. When God say yes, no one can say no. Why I bring this video come outside, my beautiful people? And they see all my sisters, all my brothers, how they take the para. No be only una wear the shoe. Many of us wear the shoe. Our mother, that might not dey Nigeria. My mom, he wear the shoe. My brother wear the shoe. My siblings, dey house. My people, dey house. You don't understand? But we no just go there now, go pull the person when una believe say na him win, because I no dey Nigeria. But why I come bring am come outside? Because I still see our sister Shoma Shikuka and the other for our sister they dey para because of this election. Why? Why? And the people una dey vex for, they go come together. They go be friend though. They go eat together. Why we go come dey fight? Yes, we need change for our country, but they no deserve when we come dey fight ourselves. Put my people. Use Destiny ETIKO and wetin I dey call am, that our brother, whether na girl, abeg go let me know. J Brown, I don't know. Me, I don't know the one when you be. I just see two of them. They say election no affect them. That's supposed to be. Politics is a game. Yes, we are desperate make our country change. That's one. Nobody they deny am. But can we do it with our power? Our youth come outside, they vote, they do their right, they do the one where they go do. Whether they put that man like that, or whether not the man win am who they now, whether they just carry put am, or may we leave everything for our creator. I beg, now beg me the person, now the beg now. My people, my youth, my wounded Nigerians, please, no you because of vote, election, say start to they fight your neighbor. No you because of election, say they get bad belly for your neighbor, or they fight your fellow Nigeria, your fellow wounded Nigeria. People when they did Nigeria, or people when they ever travel out, many of us now red eye will take travel, take Japan come up for Nigeria. Because of those babaks, you can't fight unnecessary fights. They don't deserve them. When I publish this lady, Sandra Reality, if na insult, none of na go pack, go wash am. He said, no be say OB go just change automatic. We need to give them. You know what they do for Nigeria? You know, God get reason for everything, my people. God get reason for everything. If God knows say wetin Obi wan go face for there, to stain in name, God will pull am back. Those people who spoil am, let them go and repair it. No be so they say Nigeria be before. My people, anybody not come for me, I not join anyone. I feel my moxie pain when they can complain, talk, you know, but I did the right position. Come enter, I don't need to dey vex or to dey fight each other. Now feel vex from our house, but when I not carry that vex, go neighbor house. Now this one I come out to tell you now. Me una use Destiny ETIKO, J Brown, be I don't know what it be name. Me una use two of them. Say learn. Take dust. No, when they throw away water for fowl go dust the body like this. Then that water go dust out. Now goat, throw away water for any animal, they will dust their self. I beg, my brothers, my sisters, me una dust to una self. Me una pixies. I'm sorry if maybe this my video hurts any of them. Say, wait till this girl they talk. You know what we they pass through for Nigeria? Not be alone I did in Nigeria. I be Nigeria pikin. My mom did Nigeria. You know what it takes? Say you send money, go give your mama. For your mama to withdraw, she not fit withdraw the money. Or money there back, your mama will tell you, say, my daughter, I not fit withdraw money when they send for me when they bank. You know how it be. Or your mama will tell you, say, wait till she's supposed to eat because of money not they have around. You know they a bank to collect. She not fit. You know how it be. I be if my country better today, say many of us go take this abroad. But we not just done by our power. You don't already, your power, wetin you supposed to do now, vote. You don't already vote. They let them do wetin they do. Whether na Tinubu win, whether they put am for there, my people, nobody pass God. Every time I will still dey remember prophecy of TB, whether you believe or not, whether you not believe or not. Wetin really talk now, e come outside. He said other party go come, wey go shake those two parties when we put eye, wey go overtake. If una really see how una take vex the youth, our stars, our mothers, our fathers, how they take come outside, I believe if we keep it up like this, we will take our country for their hand. Whether they put am for there, as some people believe, oh, whether Tinubu win, oh, me, I no dey anyone. So far, make peace reign for my country. If you want to do protest, do am peaceful. For me, sha, whether person do protest, so protest wey they do for toll gate for Lagos, a lot of people, children, meme. Today now, many people now they talk about those family again. Some people they cut their leg. Today now, many people now they talk about those people again. I beg. Now you they suffer. They will cause add more injury. Now this one they talk. You know, say everybody know just they make a some people go make noise. When some go calm to calm others down. As if they do you, they scratch you. As if they take they scratch me. If me use and scratch, things go spoil. Many people, many of us, many people for that Nigeria, they para, they vex. They vex. My old mama, she vex, she para. I let her know, say, mommy, no. I calm her down. My sister get it with Olivia. The same thing. She call my live stream. Sis, if you watch this my video, you see my side, I see your side. But I try to calm you down. We don't just go there and say, hey, Aso Rock, you know, and if they will do protest, they full front of Aso Rock. Now, what did they want to do? They could do. No be only they see they rule Nigeria. Me, I remember say those I don't want to mention they still they their hands still there our country. Our country, many eyes there. Many eyes there. I pray may it not be like Libya. Libya president. Now waiting. I watch this my sister. This I watch this our auntie. Then this our sister. I don't forget in channel when you say now this one got that thing once. When they say no once. I beg my people. They say to kill a snake inside hole, you will use your brain and sex. Say kill am so that it may not bite you. I use God. My wounded Nigeria election already passed. Please, now don't do una part. I say no, not sell una vote. Vote the right person. You know, say if they your mind. As far as we don't do, now don't do, now don't vote. Let leave the rest for God. Nobody pass God. I just say me, I tell you, my beautiful people. Okay, me una not vex, me una not come for me. If you not take this my video, you are free to leave. You understand? You are free to just watch, no comment. If you still comment, I no vex. No insult anybody. Drop comments when mature. When person go breathe, it go 6 sense inside. Drop comments when other people go see and they'll see your own opinion for your side. May we not dey fight ourselves. We are all wounded Nigeria. We are all wounded citizens of Nigeria. We not dey fight ourselves. I say they wound us. We be wounded Nigeria. Okay? May God, in fact, heal our everything when we pass through. Those who lost their property, when they destroy their business, I pray, may the Almighty God, may Almighty, I don't know what to say, heal your pain, and may Almighty God open more way for you. Open more way for anybody when they destroy a property. I pray so. Now this one just get to talk. Please, may not use Destiny ETIKO and J Brown, big J Brown. No. May not use them say learn. Okay, if you go Destiny ETIKO platform, when she dey para, when she dey do, but today now, they say election of your affect them. Because if you really look at election of your affect them, election will give them food. No. Election go pay bill. No. What do we need? Why would they fight? Why are you they fight? Say, make our country better. Security, roads, lights. Those are the majority things when government supposed to do for its citizen. We don't get security. We don't get lights. Nothing. You see? But if we say, okay, they don't put that person for them, maybe we start to the protest, maybe we start to we not go work, we not do anything. Who will they affect? Will they affect ourselves? Because those barbars, they don't want to wake up, say, oh, this person join me, you're hungry, or your house strength, let me go and help you, or your property when they destroy. They will never. Then silence is the best answer. For me, I don't know for you, Sha. You know, say my opinion and your opinion can never be the same. Please. My sister, Shoma Shikuka, you'll be the best, one of the best actresses when I love for Nollywood. You don't do your part. For you and your sister or your friend, now come they quarrel, or they will come they hear una. Please. May una carry the matter come up for social media, or my sister, my beautiful sister, Shoma, so say you senior her. She said, you not senior her, I will say that, but that one not consign me. I beg, may we apply sex. Waiting don't already happen, don't happen. We don't need to they fight ourselves. They bite ourselves. No, those babas don't deserve her. I know one come here say, Shoma, are you right? This one, no, Shoma, sis, I beg you. As you take gentle for face, as you're gentle with your character, as I tell you, see you, please keep it up like that. Not let this election to bring, please, I'm begging. All your tears, all your pain, I beg, wipe it out. If person still see her, they will see something for your side, they will see something for your friend's side. But for me, I don't want judge. May una end this matter. I still see Destiny and J Brown, maybe boy, girl. I just see two of them. I tell them, the party, may una come together again. It not mean say you vote for Labour Party and the other of your sister vote for APC or PDP and una be you know, now they act together, now call the carry face. No, those people not deserve them. Oh, those people not deserve them. No, now wake up. Politics is a game. We just need changes for our country. We need the change. We can't fight ourselves. How the changes will come? We can't add more fuel. Or this my people. I'll see you in my mind. I just say me I use this one. Say give my people. Okay. I'm sorry. Anybody when they injured, please. Okay.
Oh hey.
Hi Toby.
Good out.
Sorry, my darling. Come on.
Sit down.
Oh, I see why you need your friend. I'm a very slow.
I'm here for my big auntie.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be lit.
Liz.
You guys should wait for the unexpected.
I swear.
Who is Zuzu?
Election don't affect us.
We have to live a normal life. So.
Auntie Mio, hey. Shimo.
No, it's okay.
Let me try it.
No, just trust yourself. I'm here for you. My darling. Yay, James is in town. James is in town. Okay.
I did Port Harcourt when them kills Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla.